In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert online pictures in Microsoft PowerPoint if you want to make your presentation more visual and engaging. Adding an online image can be a quick and easy way to do it. PowerPoint includes a built-in option that lets you browse and insert pictures without needing to leave your presentation, save files manually, or drag images in from your browser. Let's walk through the process together. To begin, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the picture to appear. Once you're ready, click the Insert tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where PowerPoint keeps all the tools for adding content to your slide, including images, shapes, charts, and more. After that, click on Pictures. This opens the image options available in PowerPoint and gives you different ways to add a picture to your slide. Since the goal here is to use an image from the web through PowerPoint's built-in tools, the next thing you'll do is select Online Pictures. When you click Online Pictures, a new window will appear. This is where you can browse available image results directly inside PowerPoint. In this example, the next step is to choose a category. Categories can be useful if you want to explore image ideas visually instead of typing in a search. It's a simple way to narrow down your options and find something that fits the theme of your presentation. Once you've chosen a category, look through the available images and click the one you want to use. Selecting the image highlights it, so PowerPoint knows which picture you'd like to place on your slide. At this point, it's a good idea to quickly confirm that the image matches your topic and looks suitable for the style of your presentation. Finally, click Insert. PowerPoint will place the selected online picture directly onto your slide. From there, you can move it, resize it, or adjust its placement so it works well with your text and other slide elements. And that's all it takes to insert an online picture in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a straightforward feature, but it can make a big difference in how polished and appealing your presentation looks. If you're adding multiple visuals, try to keep a consistent style so your slides feel clean and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.